first proper downwind of the season. Ready, Luke?
You've
got enough equipment in here, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4 foils and boards. John's toolbox, we can't go anywhere without that. 2 jet skis. Yee, there we go.
Evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
Oh, so much fun! What is nice and cold? 11 degrees. Get these dolphins to follow us. Yeah. Hey, just coming up to Melkbosstrand. There's a little channel in the kelp. I'm going to attempt to ride through it to get to the beach. No, right at the end. Oh, nice wave, Neil.
I can take it out.
Did you get knocked out?
Straight backwards.
Where?
I think we've got it on camera. Yeah.
Where? You knocked out?
Yeah.
Who? Wait.
Then it hit him. So I'm like, okay. And then he's like,
Did he fall off?
lights on.
Blown up.
That's just black. Like, I woke up in the water.
No, Neil. Jeez, bro.
I took the handle, not the handle, the rope. And as I got to the back, the handle hit the chop and just knocked up.
Oh, that's handle, not the handle of the ski.
Left handle into the face. Out.
What? Hectic, bro. Alright, like a successful downwinder. Now we're just going to go and fetch the car, bring the trailers back, put the skis on, take them home.